Here on campus, about 25% of class time is spent with experiential learning, which is really awesome. But within my major, game design, it's, I would say, about 95.
Actually, in my strategic management class, we are responsible for running our own business, determining our advertising, our PR, who we're marketing to, working with supplier relations, really getting the full experience of what it's like to run your own business. 1924 Prime, it's our 5-star steakhouse that we have here on campus. Essentially what it is, it's here as a professional development experience. So figuring out, not to be cliche, but what fork to use when, learning the proper way to cut a steak, but then also just to kind of hone in on some of those other soft skills that High Point really puts an emphasis on. So communication skills, small talk, just how to conduct yourself in a professional setting.
Outside the classroom, we have Triad News. In that organization, we're able to create news stories and formulate an entire program that's all ours. In the past, I've interned at CNN, where I was a production assistant. It was an amazing experience to work with high-profile talent, to grow as a professional and learn more of what I want to do as a career. Last summer, I worked for the Madison Square Garden Company for brands like the Rockettes and the New York Liberty to grow their strategy.
I worked at a nonprofit within the gaming industry, and it was one of the best experiences of my life. I did not expect to have a job offer my junior year, but they were like, hey, we really want you back next summer, and then also post-grad if you're thinking about it. Yeah, so High Point really is helping me succeed in the real world and helping me succeed beyond this university.